Now we're going to put together your 6-pointed star. So you need all of your 6 pieces that are colored exactly how you want them. So what you need to do, first put glue. You need a glue stick. We're going to try with a glue stick anyway. I may end up deciding something else is better. Glue along that inner edge. Press down. You're going to need a hold when you're gluing. Unlike normal paper, this paper is a little bit thicker. So if you don't hold down, it's probably not going to stick. Your next thing you're going to do, and again, we may change our mind on what kind of glue that we're using, is put glue on both of these tabs, but do not press them down yet. So you're going to put your next piece on top, line it up, and then those tabs get glued down on the inside of the next piece. Just to make sure, and to make sure all these stars aren't popping apart, what we're going to make sure that you have to do is grab some Scotch tape and put 3 pieces down, one in the middle and one on either side. Like that, okay? So then you're going to do the next thing for your next piece. So remember, you start with the middle tab. I always have to think about it. Start with the middle tab. Make sure you get all of those pieces. Press down. And mine, of course, is the guinea pig pattern, so we always will see how it actually turns out. Okay? Then if you remember, next you put a little bit of glue. So not like a little, like a pretty good chunk of glue with your glue stick. On the next tabs, do not press them down yet. They're going to go inside your next piece. Like that, hold down. My rule of thumb for glue is to kind of hold down and count to maybe about 15 to 20 in your head. Ow. Now at the end, you can decide if you want to attach it with string or yarn to make sure the star stays open. I'm going to use a cool colored piece of yarn since I have a lot of cool colors in mine. Do not forget to tape. Okay, what do we do again? See how it's starting to come together? Ooh, magical. Okay, so middle piece again. Glue. Smoosh it down. 2, 3. Hold it. Okay, glue on your tabs. I like this kind. The Elmer's, if you get an off-brand, a lot of times it's not going to work. Hold it down again. Okay, you can work on taping while you're holding. Okay, so that's pretty good. To the middle again. So it's like middle, side, side, add the next piece, basically. Okay, so we're almost there. This part does not take very long. It's a pretty quick project depending on how detailed you get on your stars. That's really what makes a difference. Okay, so I have my middle glued down. I'm going to hang on to that, do my tabs. Just on the tabs, not on the other part of the star. You don't want it to get gunky. If you get glue where you don't want it, it's going to collect dust and look kind of gross. Okay, hang on to that. And hopefully it'll stay together. I tried this on a practice one and it seemed like it worked out okay. Okay, last one. So again, middle. Ooh, it lined up better than the last time too. You do want to try to make sure that you're lining up everything really well. Be precise. Okay, hold on to the middle. Okay, that's staying, it looks like. To your tabs. Okay, now on the last one, it's a teensy bit different because it is, if you don't drop your glue, like I like to apparently, it's going to be your last one. You're not adding anymore. So what we're going to do is glue that last guy down. Okay, so glue that guy down because it's your last part of your star. And you're like, okay, Miss Fisher, we have just glued together everything we've been working on for like a couple weeks. Not quite. This last one, make sure it's on there pretty good. I think glue sticks might work, actually. This is exciting. If not, we can use something else, though. Again, it just depends. I'm going to put a little piece of tape on the inside of that last one just to make sure it's not going to come undone, which it's trying to do right now. Okay, so we have all these magical, beautiful little points. What we're going to be doing is putting stapling in string here and here and bringing it together. And you have your 6-pointed star! Yay!